A year since coming within a win of reaching the UAAP finals, the Far Eastern University Lady Tamaraws are back, and they hope to finally go all the way.
Sobrang lapit na namin doon sa finals pero hindi pa rin namin nakuha. Sobrang kinulang pa din. Kulang pa rin talaga yung experience namin, yung maturity inside the court. Tapos yun, parang yung game na yun, parang magiging inspiration and motivation na lang para sa amin for this coming season.
Not much has changed personnel-wise for the Lady Tamaraws, except for the loss of setter Giselle C. Adjustments are smooth, as FEU will now look to Kyle Negrito as its primary playmaker.
Si Coach siya kasi, parang siya, hindi niya sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, huwag mo isipin na napapalitan mo si Ate G. Sinasabi niya sa akin na, ikaw naman, time mo naman, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo and gawin mo yung ikaw.
The Lady Tamaraws did not partake in out-of-town training camps during the off-season, but they zeroed in on key weaknesses like service and reception, on-court movements, tactics, and responses to certain situations. In practice, head coach Shaq De Los Santos emphasizes the importance of consistency to his players.
Sabi lang, hindi na kayo bata. Kung experience naman pag-uusapan, I think meron na rin naman tayo noon. So yun lang, kailangan lang namin pa-realize sa kanila na ito na yung team natin. Isa tayo dun sa titingnan talaga dyan kasi wala tayong rookie basta eh. Kumbaga, puro nasa senior.
No longer a rebuilding team in transition, FEU embraces its tag as contender for season 79. With nothing short of the championship in its sights.
Ang goal namin is championship this year. Kumbaga, lalo na sa akin, last playing year ko, gusto kong mag-iwan ng legacy sa team na iiwanan ko, saka sa buong FEU community. Siyempre, season 70 pa nung last na champion yung FEU.
With their core players intact, the Lady Tamaraws want to prove themselves this season and bring back their old glory. Their experience and character will be tested by stiffer competition. It won't be easy. They don't expect it to be, and they are ready for the challenge. Jane Brasher, Rappler, Manila.